Scrolled past Waiheke Boutique and thought it was a charming Kiwi-style fashion store? Today we're checking out whether it's a real boutique or a high-risk make-believe shop. Let's break it down. So Waiheke Boutique's website presents itself as a coastal-inspired women's clothing store with timeless dresses, blouses, and accessories, claiming up to 75% off during anniversary sales and a 30-day money-back guarantee. It sounds very boutique-style and local at first glance. On the surface, the shop has a polished design with product listings and customer testimonials right on the homepage, and they even mention familiar payment options that can offer dispute protection like PayPal or card changes if you choose the right method. Those elements don't guarantee safety, but at least the site tries to look like a normal online boutique. But here's why you should be careful. Independent trust analysis gives Waiheke Boutique a very low trust score because the domain was just registered recently with hidden WHOIS data and almost no traffic or reputation yet. That matches common patterns with unverified or high-risk sites. The customer reviews shown on the site are an internal review system which can be edited or manufactured, whereas reliable stores usually have external verified reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or Google. Fake fashion e-shops with names referencing NZ locations have been widely reported across the country, often appearing in social media ads, offering dramatic sales and emotional stories, and then delivering poor quality goods or nothing at all. So is Waiheke Boutique a real clothes store? Right now, it's unproven and potentially high risk. The low trust score, young domain, hidden ownership, and lack of genuine external reviews suggest you should avoid buying until there's more verified feedback. If you're looking for a genuine Waiheke fashion and boutique items, considering visit established local shops or trusted online retailers instead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.